On an average, HR spends 5 to 6 seconds to review a CV. So, if you want to get noticed and shortlisted by the HR personnel, the CV must be attracting. Building a professional and attractive CV is as important as preparing and attending interview. So, if you want to land in your dream job, you have to spend some time to work, design and prepare a good-looking CV that will attract the HR and the recruiting personnels. A professional CV will create a positive mindset and it will clearly reflect during your interview. Along with your experience, expertise and your educational qualifications, the recruiter will clearly look at your professional approach in your behavior towards sending yourself to the company. Therefore, I'm here to help you out to develop professional, good-looking CVs, and I'm going to share with you a couple of templates which will help you to design and customize it accordingly. I have given the link in description. You can download the templates and use it. If for more template, let me know in comment box. Before starting the video, I appreciate if you can subscribe my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. So here is a sample template which is designed and prepared for the reference purposes. So I'll go through what are the key things which you need to look at when you are preparing a CV. This is a contract specialist CV. First of all, the first heading, the profile summary is the critical point where the CV reviewer will immediately look at it and understand what your profile is all about. So this need to be carefully drafted, covering your experience, expertise, your skill set, etc. Next is the professional experience, where you list down your professional experience, the company which you work with, the profile which you hold, from starting from when and to where, and then you list it down your key responsibilities and what are the jobs which you undertaken during that tenure. So after that, you need to list it down the key achievements doing that role. This will give a highlight to the CV reviewer that you have achieved certain things during your tenure in that company. Make sure you give numbers here so that it will be easy to understand. Next, if you go to left side, then first of all you need to give your full name. You can put your photo, then after that you can give the email ID, mobile number and your address and your LinkedIn details. After that, core competencies, where you give your skill set, explain your detail. After that, you provide your software skills, where you have given SAP Ariba, SAP CRM and MS Office. Then after that, you listed down the awards which you received during your work tenure in that company. Here you can list it down the certificate of appreciation which you have received, or any award specifically you have received that can be explained here. Then after that, you go to the next page where you will explain your previous job title and the company and the tenure which you held the responsibilities. After that, as similarly before, you listed down your roles and responsibilities which you held and the achievements here, which will give a summary to the recruiter. After that, you give the educational background, where what's your master's degree. If you have master's degree, you put it in the beginning, then your bachelor degree and the university and the details. After that, you give the normal details as your date of birth, nationality, and you can give reference as required, like as requested. So you can, if they ask for reference, then you can provide it. Then third, you can give any other experience which you have it, but make sure you limit the CV size to 2 to 3 pages maximum. Let's see some of the template which I'm going to share with you. As I told you before, you can download the entire folder from the description which I have given. Before doing that, just go to this font folder and then open one by one and install these fonts to get the better view for your templates. Now let's look at the templates one by one. So first of all, it's gold color templates, where this has design in gold color, where and the next one is the light blue shaded template. This is also, you can use it. This looks professional. And then after that, you have different other templates such as ocean. Yeah, so open all those files and look at which one is suit for you and use the right template. And I have given the original files as well, where you can just color code design as per your requirement. Hope you liked this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment box, and also please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm gonna give tons of templates and files and tutorials on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.